This is a massive, massive cicada bug. Looks like he has a bit of a broken wing, which is why he's hanging out. It's a really, really big bug. Show off for the cameraman. Do something. Creepy, right? Florida. Gotta love it.
Alright, local super Target. Check out some Hot Wheels here first. It's pretty late at night, so I'm not expecting to find anything really. Ford Focus is kind of neat. Tampa work on it's pretty nice. Have to think about that one. Yeah, pegs look like I thought. A lot of peg warmers. A couple things poking in here and there, like Mustang's pretty sweet. Not feeling the wheels, but still, for a convertible, it's kind of cool. Yeah, just a lot of fantasy cars. Hot Wheels 50th. Some color shifters. No Punisher, no Ghost Rider. That's to be expected. Spider-Mobile's kind of cool. Peg warmers, peg warmers, peg warmers, peg warmers. Lots and lots of peg warmers. Expensive peg warmers. A lot of empty pegs here. Last of the monster jams. Let's go check out some Matchbox. Color changers. Got a Chrysler 300. It's kind of nice in the gray. Some trucks. Some more color changers. A Tesla. Man, it's just a lot of silver left over. 9-packs are pretty nice. Yeah, definitely nice. Got some good stuff in here. There's the new red variation of the VW Golf. Got a Hummer. The Fiat. Yeah, that's a nice 9-pack for sure. I definitely want that Volkswagen Golf though. I gotta get the red variation of that. Here's some 5-packs from Hot Wheels. Everyone scrambled to get all of these, and car meat, sitting around peg warming, exotics peg warming, night burners peg warming. We all freaked out in the beginning when it first came out, like there wasn't going to be tons of them made. That's what they do with 5-packs. There's some 50th right here. All the leftover peg warmers. Tons of Monte Carlos. Tons and tons of Monte Carlos. Let's go check Jurassic Park. Seems like every time I look through the Jurassic Park stuff, I always find a cast. Yeah, see right here. There's a variation I don't have. I have the 5-pack version. Got all of these. Love that Jeep Wrangler though. Dropping cars every time. Hey, there's another one. Might have to grab that. There was 2 in the movie. I gotta have 2. I will be getting that Explorer. I just can't leave it behind. Anytime I see one on card, I'll leave the 5-packs behind from now on, but anytime I see one single on a card, I'm gonna grab it. Alright, I think that is it for Target. Let's go take a look at what I got.
And we're back. And I'll show you what I got. Kind of a small haul, but I completed out some of the rest of the Jurassic Park that I, thought I had, but I guess there's other variations. Starting off with the 97 Mercedes-Benz ML320. Slightly different color scheme on this one than the one out of the 5-pack, and this one has green tires as well. and I wasn't even planning on opening it, but the cashier threw it in the bag so hard, it bent the card and wrinkled the corners, so appreciate that. How cool is that? Just a really, really neat off-roady vehicle. Lots of nice detail. Matchbox did such a good job with this Jurassic Park line. They really did the franchise right. Then there's another one. Leave that one on card. That one's in good shape. Finally found the 93 Jeep Wrangler. I have this already in a 5-pack, but I plan on leaving it in the 5-pack, so got me a loose one. Such a cool Jeep. Such a cool Jeep. And of course, I had to grab another one of these. I'm trying hard not to be a hoarder anymore, but certain castings still get me. And my love for Jurassic Park, I can't pass up the Explorer every time I see one. I have been passing up the 5-packs, but single cards, I'm snagging them up. Super happy to get this, the track manga. I love the Mad manga. That is one of my favorite castings. It's such a cool car. It's got such a unique base. I love that style in racing bases that sticks out like that. Had to get up this track manga. Just a neat variation. Convertible like that? Like, it's super raced out and it's in convertible. You would never see that combination in real life, but it's a cool car. Super long front. I don't know, I just really, really, really like it. If it didn't have, like, that fluorescent orange windshield, I'd be a lot happier, but what are you gonna do? I'm just happy they're still making this of any kind. Awesome. Just awesome. Break out a couple of Mad mangas here in case you don't know what I'm talking about, if you haven't seen one before. This one came out of one of those hauler packs. Came with a truck. And I'm not 100% sure on this one where it came from. I believe it was a single card. If not a single card, then a 10-pack, multi-pack variation. If you look at it, it almost looks like the Laurel. I'm getting crazy off topic here, but look at that. It's basically a Laurel done up in a massive raceway. The Mad manga is so sick. I absolutely love the Mad manga. And last but not least, I've had this for a while, and I'm putting my Kelly Motor Speedway back together, and I have my Golf gas station there, and I thought this would be really neat on the roof. How cool is that? Nozzle comes off. Really nice detail on the face there. Super old school. Back is done up, same as the front. And I'm gonna add that to the top of my gas station right now. And if you were wondering why I was showing off my cars down here by my racetrack, check this out. Give you guys a quick sneak peek at what's going on. The Kelly Motor Speedway is back, completely set up, and here's what's coming up next. Yup, snakes, rats, alligators, palm trees. It's a very, very Florida game. Be prepared. And yes, bowling pins and bowling balls. It's gonna be awesome. Well, I appreciate you guys for hanging out. Hope you guys are out hunting. Hope you guys are out finding cool things, doing cool things. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.